It looks like there's part of a bike.
Yeah, the bike frame, the most important part.
On somebody's pants.
One evening as the sun went down and the jungle fires were burning, down the track came a hobo hiking, and he said, "Boys, I'm not turning. I'm heading for a land that's far away beside the crystal fountain. So come with me, we'll go and see the Big Rock Candy Mountains. In the Big Rock Candy Mountains, there's a land that's fair and bright, where the handouts grow on bushes and you sleep out every night, where the boxcars all are empty and the sun shines every day on the birds and the bees and the cigarette trees, the lemonade springs where the bluebird sings in the Big Rock Candy Mountains. In the Big Rock Candy Mountains, all the cops have wooden legs, and the bulldogs all have rubber teeth, and the hens lay soft-boiled eggs. Well, the farmers' trees are full of fruit, and the barns are full of hay. Oh, I'm bound to go where there ain't no snow, where the rain don't fall and the wind don't blow, in the Big Rock Candy Mountains. In the Big Rock Candy Mountains, you never change your socks, and the little streams of alcohol come trickling down the rocks. Oh, the brakemen have to tip their hats, and the railroad bulls are blind. There's a lake of stew and of whiskey too. You can paddle all around in a big canoe in the Big Rock Candy Mountains. In the Big Rock Candy Mountains, the jails are made of tin, and you can walk right out again as soon as you are in. Well, there ain't no short-handled shovels, no axes, saws, or picks. I'm gonna stay where they sleep all day, where they hung the jerk who invented work in the Big Rock Candy Mountains. I'll see you all this coming fall in the Big Rock Candy Mountains.
Always have flashlight.
Try to identify bags that have shit that will contaminate you or get you sick. Business.
Dog.
No. Survive business. These bags here have yard debris in them, so hence they are no good. So try to avoid dealing with them as much as possible. Try to get them out of your way. But don't make a mess, because if you make a mess, places will put locks and chains and shit like that on their dumpsters, and you don't want that. These dumpsters should be accessible at all times. What you want to look for is stuff you need. Things you don't need, don't take. Leave them for someone else. This, okay.
Example I don't need.
Don't take more than you need, even among garbage.
I don't see, there's just a lot of toys.
A lot of toys?
A lot of toys and yard debris.
waste.
Toys?
And then this, but we don't want that. So,
Yeah.
this is an unproductive dumpster.
But
Found this thing
it's better
in the
than
tree.
food.
Except for the toy.
Except for the toy. The toy was productive.
The toy was productive. This here is a mat to sleep on.
I found it.
Indeed. And you're putting it back because?
I don't really need it.
Don't take more than you need.
Oh, they're just canvas.
I found art.
You found art? You think you found art.
Well,
It's a blood vein.
Medication, huh? It's for the yeast infection.
yes! Let there be rock. It's not
Oh man. So much AC/DC.
Rolling Stones.
Hey, what is it? Britney
Word
Spears?
perfect.
I'll take the broken one. I collect broken CDs.
There you go. Some Adidas shorts.
Oh God. Kangaroo killer shorts.
A lot of packing material.
Paper.
Bill.
Right out.
Hey, alright. Packing slip.
Paper.
Didn't say anything good.
No, but you can use the back of papers.
Yeah. I'm
Bill
grabbing
slips
it.
like this. You can use the back to reprint things. Plus, if you're really, really handy, you can also make your own paper out of this sort of stuff and recycle it yourself. Not a modem at all. What are you?
Whoa, that's my bad stuff.
Oh,
This is not where we want to be.
no.
Stinky garbage?
Big dumpster.
Cardboard.
Cardboard?
This is the flattened cardboard.
Cardboard.
Cardboard. Cardboard only, we don't want that. Ugh, it stinks. Ugh, ugh. Do something dramatic, Salcedo.
Fingernail clippings are not good dumpster finds. God damn it.
Oh, nice. It's a computer box, but no computer.
Fuck, so close and yet
Computer
so
wasn't
far
on.
away.
That sucks. Learn your area where you dumpster. Dumpster before they pick it up.
Holy shit, Peter.
If you come after they've picked it up, you will never get anything worthwhile. Know when they come. Try to learn the businesses that you dumpster at, because those businesses will consistently drop things in pretty much on the same day. Their food goes bad on one day, they need to put it in there that day. Know when that day is so you can come on that day and get good food for free. Don't come on the day after they pick up.
Colleges. You're gonna get to colleges, the end of the semester, after the kids have moved out of the dorms, before they've taken out the trash.
Don't tell them that.
Well, you can edit it later. That's the beauty of not live television.
Hey, are you planning on throwing anything cool away?
No, just the empty bags of tea.
Know of anything cool in here?
No. I could probably give you a tea if you're thirsty.
That'd be awesome. Any chance you have any food that you're gonna throw out?
Hey, what?
Feel like I shouldn't you throw out? No.
Are you guys filming?
I'm doing a...
Are you guys hungry or something?
Yeah,
Yeah, well, then we're documenting tips of my food in the dumpster.
Got some change.
Cool.
Right on you.
cool.
Right on! Smoke chronic till the day you die.
Oh man.
10-second rule.
You know, we should that right before we go dumpstering.
I'll stop.
That's from the montage. They wrap everything in that. What is that?
It's not what to look for, it's what to smell for, really. I've been eating out of dumpsters for years now. It's pretty much, it's common sense. If it smells horrible, don't eat it, you know what I mean? Like, obviously, meat that's like dried up and or green, slimy. And also, dairy products. If it's not fresh, by all means, do not eat it. This is probably okay, but I want to hold out for something better. The texture is really gross. But it's just, I mean, well, the thing too though, it's summer, it's hot. This is not gonna kill you, but you gotta be a little more careful, and you know, things sitting out in the heat just rots a little fast. A tiny little taste isn't gonna hurt, you know what I mean? Like, but usually it's just, when the smell goes away, the color obviously. I don't eat meat or dairy products unless I know it's fresh, because especially dairy products. Whew, boy howdy. I mean, I've eaten some brands of dairy products, and I'll tell you what, man. Woo. You gotta be careful if something's got condensation on it, like particularly if it's not a hot day and it's got condensation. That doesn't necessarily mean it's warm. And you don't want to just like shove that in your mouth, because like things, when they're enclosed in containers and they're rotting, they'll let off a bit of heat and condensation and moisture, you know, as they're being broken down. So that's something to look for, you know. Make sure it's still warm if it's got condensation on it, you know, like. Otherwise it's just food breaking down.
How long have you been doing this?
Oh, forever it feels like.
Really?
Long time, long time.
Did you find a lot of great stuff?
Sometimes, sometimes not. Sometimes tonight I found mostly like office supplies.
Office supplies.
Yeah, stuff that I give to friends of mine who have kids that go to school, so they don't have to spend money buying school supplies.
All right.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
So, and a table. There's one table over there that I'm going to keep.
Where's that?
Just a short little table. I've got it all stacked up there. There's three legs, and there's a fourth leg over there.
Oh yeah, there it is. Oh, so what's the coolest thing you've ever dumpstered?
An 1864 half dime and $100 in the same day.
No shit. That was a good day.
Yeah. That's from recycling up in North Portland.
Really?
From the recycle dumps.
All right.
That's awesome.
Do you have any advice for people on you know, if people don't know how to dumpster? What would you tell them?
I don't know. Be cool about it. Don't make a mess. If you do make a mess, clean it up. The best way to get kicked out of a place is to make a mess. So make sure the place is clean when you leave. Always wear gloves, because you never know what kind of stuff's going to happen. Really, you know, human waste or whatever. You know, you don't want to come into contact with that kind of stuff. And share, I guess.
Dude.
Yeah.
All right.
That's about it.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome so much.
Yes. Scott.
Just to use it as some video.
A red one.
Oh, sweet dude, that's
Holy shit.
you know, man, things were closed, but I'll leave that
Okay,
to
we'll
you there,
use
buddy.
those for the shows.
Come on, come on.
Alright. And I'm kind of maxed out as far as arm space. Something you should always keep in mind is how you're going to get it back. I suggest bringing a big backpack
Hey, here
or
we go.
a bicycle with
Packing.
some sort of basket on it. No, this is plenty.
For Christ's sake.
Alright, come along, Calvin. Sorry, no Yu-Gi-Oh.
Don't leave a trail.
Don't leave a trail, don't find
Aw, jeez.
Oh, will you be high? Oh, will you be there? Will you be home when I come knocking? Will you be mad? Or will you just stare? Will you open the door and let me in? Deserts we make out of the sand. There was once a garden. Eden was stripped in less than a day by a firm from Brooklyn. All of the gold is lost in the trees, but we keep on digging, rooting around like a pack of hogs for that last truffle of fortune.
Dirty deeds done dirt cheap.
Oh my god, it's Daisy DC, dude!
That's
Fuck
perfect.
yeah,
Wait,
man.
hold it up for the camera. I gotta get that.
Dude, dirty deeds done dirt cheap.
cheap. That's what we'll call the video.
It's fucking ACDC,
Can I see that?
man. Fuck
Sure, yeah.
It's all warped though, dude.